Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an account in Gumroad. First, navigate to the Gumroad website and find the Sign Up button, usually in the top right corner. You have three options for signing up, using your email, Facebook, or Twitter. If you choose email, simply enter your preferred email address and create a secure password. Remember to agree to the terms of service before clicking Create Account to begin your journey. Now that your account is active, let's personalize your profile. Head over to your settings to customize your public page. Upload a clear profile picture and an engaging cover image that reflects your brand. Craft a brief, impactful biography to introduce yourself and what you offer to potential customers. Don't forget to link your social media accounts to expand your audience and connect with more people. With your profile set, it's time to create your first product. Navigate to the Products section and click New Product. You'll choose from various types like a digital download, a physical item, or a subscription service. Give your product a compelling name and set a fair price. Then, upload your digital files or provide all the essential details for physical goods, ensuring everything is ready for sale. The final steps involve setting up payments and publishing. Connect your bank account or PayPal to ensure you can receive earnings from your sales. Take a moment to thoroughly review all your product details, including the description, images, and pricing. You can also add variations or create discount codes if you wish. Once everything looks perfect, simply click Publish to make your product live and accessible to your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.